So with Photopea, what you can also do is get CSS details for the shapes that you make. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto rectangle and keep it rounded right here, and let's say, for example, add in a stroke, let's say, for example, just like this. Let's just go around over here onto fill and change out the color of it just like this. And in the stroke, I'm going to fill it out with this color right here and change around the pixel size. So let's say I want to get CSS info about this. So I'm going to go around over here onto Windows, let's say, for example, and then I can go around over here and get the CSS info to this. So over here, you can see that this is what I have. So let me just go around onto more and then go to CSS right here. So now you can see that for this particular shape, this is the width, height, the border radius, background color, and so forth. And you can go ahead and change this out as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto shape and drag this out, and you can see that I have the change height. Go around over here, you get the change border radius. Let's just go around onto more complex shape like this, and then you can see you get the width, height, background color, and border right here just like this as well. So for the line as well, you can see that this is the width, height, background color. So if you want CSS reference, then you can simply go around and open this out right here, and you get the CSS code reference for those particular shape with colors just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.